How to convert Spaylater to Gcash. Now, first thing you need to check is you need to make sure that you are already been approved with Spaylater or your Spaylater has been already activated. Now, the only method that you can do is you need to find a merchant or a store that offers this kind of feature, which means you have to find a store to cash out your SPayLater. Now, to do that method, all you have to do is to click or to tap on this QR icon right here, and then you might want to scan the QR code from your merchant, or you can upload the QR code if you already downloaded it from merchant. So all you have to do is to click or to tap this gallery icon right here. So that's how quick or that's the easiest method you can convert your SPay later to Gcash.